That's Mace. Look at him. Now, he's an attorney. Is that legal? I don't think so. And my dog's got... I had to wash my dog's face out and everything. Look at Jimmy. They took control of my house. Now, this is the whole video of when they took advantage of my wife. They knew I was at work. They showed up when I was at work. I'll see if I can see the video when they showed up and I was there. I did not let his attorney or somebody else come into our property. I allowed Jimmy and a plumber, at which point Jimmy refused. This is the whole video of them showing up to my house illegally. This is a way of intimidation, coercing, manipulation, and violating a woman's